ain't going nowhere. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice. Nice, sir. Boys and girls, that summer gun ain't going nowhere. Talk to me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Boy, I like this. This is nice. This is nice. This is like paper plate dinner nice. I appreciate you, boys and girls. Let's look at that again. Boy, you look at that right there, boys. Look at that. Yes, sir. I appreciate you, boys and girls. What's your excuse? What's your excuse for you not doing nothing today? Let me hear it. Tell it to my good ear, because this ear bad. You ain't got no excuse. The only excuse is you're just lazy as hell, and let me get my belt out and get you motivated to get your ass out in the shop and do something. Let go. I mean, pollen's already falling, dogwoods is done blooming, crappie done biting. What y'all waiting on? Y'all waiting for Jay to come over there to do it for you? I'll do it. Better bust out that pocketbook, though. I appreciate you, boys and girls. Remember what I said, don't worry about the man up the road or down the road. Sweep off your own front porch while sweeping off anybody else's. Put God first, that loose end drag. Peace on chicken grease. I'm out. Let go.